Hey everybody, Chef Stu, cooking at home still, and here to show you another very essential technique in any kitchen, any carnivore's kitchen, and that's how to roast a chicken. So, dead simple. Really, it's something that we should all probably know how to do, but there's a couple of little tricks along the way that I'm hoping to teach you, because you may have encountered something that didn't go right with yours. So I'll give you a couple of tips as we go along. So here is our friendly chicken. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pat it dry. So we're gonna pat it dry to get rid of any excess moisture off the skin. And that really is gonna help crisp the skin. And if you're anything like me, you like crispy skin on your chicken. I'm a huge fan of just plain salt and pepper. This is a Greek mix, just a pre-packaged Greek mix. Essentially the reason that I'm showing you these two options is for this purpose, you wanna have a dry rub. So what we're gonna do is heavily season all over the place. Every single thing we can see, we want to heavily season. I constantly say, just season more than you think you need to. Season the inside of the carcass as well, just like so. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place that into our roasting dish. And the very last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a big tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna break it with my fingers. I'm gonna put one there and I'm gonna put one there. That's it. And we're going to the oven. So we're going in the oven here, 425 degrees. Very hot oven. We're gonna go 425 for 25 minutes. Then we're gonna drop it down to 350 degrees for 50 minutes. All right, everybody, so we're at the end. Our timer's gone off for our chicken. Let's take a quick look. Looks very lovely. Got nice brown kind of color on top. I would never, ever throw away this fat on the bottom. This can be used for a multitude of purposes. So any whole chicken or turkey, any poultry, needs to be 185 degrees. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna go down here, not touching a bone. We're way over. One of the most essential things that you wanna do at this point is let this rest. This needs to sit at room temperature for at least 15 minutes before